Now to our coronavirus coverage. Even with the pandemic fading, a lot of Bay Area voters say they are still worried about catching the deadly virus.
According to a poll from the Bay Area Council, almost half of Bay Area voters are concerned about getting COVID themselves. But even a larger number, 59%, worry about family members becoming infected.
The number of people who say that they feel safe in returning to normal, it is at least going up compared to the same poll last year. 30% say they feel safe. 17% say they expect a so-called return to normal within the year. 12% say we will never return to normal. We posted the poll on our website, KRON4.com.
KRON 4's Amanda Harry joins us now live after talking with an infectious disease specialist about those results. And Amanda, what was her reaction to this?
The infectious disease specialist that I spoke to says it's not about what'll happen in the future because we don't know yet. She says right now we're actually in a good place with high vaccination rates and low case counts.
This is actually as good as it gets, because what I mean is that the thought of eradicating COVID, it's not possible.
UCSF infectious disease specialist Monica Gandhi says we're in a COVID lull right now. With very few people in the hospital across San Francisco, she says this is a really good time in the pandemic.
I think this is the time in this country where we are more normal than we've been in 2 years.
It's a contrast to a view of Bay Area business leaders. The Bay Area Council recently polled hundreds of them, and about half said they won't feel safe returning to normal for at least the next 6 months. About 12% said they may never feel safe returning to normal. But Dr. Gandhi says if people are vaccinated, they should feel confident trusting their vaccine to do its job.
If you're vaccinated, your risk of getting sick from COVID is extremely low, even if there are circulating cases.
Dr. Gandhi says we're in an endemic phase, and many health organizations are changing their guidance to reflect that.
The World Health Organization just last week said we need to downgrade from the emergency phase of the pandemic. We need to go back to normal.
But she says there are plans in place for future surges and new strains.
If a variant comes out that's more virulent, we'll boost everyone. If a variant comes out that's less virulent, no boost.
She says if things stay the way they are right now, vulnerable people will still need to be boosted each respiratory season. And if you're vaccinated, your risk of severe disease will likely remain low.
It's been a hard 2 years, and do try to go back to the activities that you enjoy.
Dr. Gandhi emphasized that we have to move from the pandemic stage to the endemic stage, which means we have the tools to fight COVID, including vaccines and therapeutics. Now we have to live with it. Live in the studio, Amanda Harry, KRON 4 News.